Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make this video animation using Canva. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna select the background that we want. So right here I'm adding my image. Then we're gonna add the text that we want. And I'm going to change my color to white. Then I'm going to select Effects, Lift, maximize it to 100. Now I'm going to save this as a PNG. We're going to re-upload it to Canva. After completing that, we're going to add a shape. After adding the shape, I'm going to put a plane. Now I'm going to add a next shape to fill this spot right here. See right here, I'm filling the spot. I'm going to do it to the next side. Now I'm going to bring the plane to front. After completing that, I'm going to group them and drag it to the left. Ungroup, make this shape bigger. I'm going to duplicate the page. Select the first one. Add whatever text you want. We're going to add the animation bounce to the text. Now we're going to adjust the timing. We're going to duplicate it. We're going to adjust the timing for this text. Now we're going to add a transition. We're going to add a transition match and move. We're going to go to the second page. We're going to hold Shift and then drag from the left to the right. And here we have it. Subscribe to the channel for more.